In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer lists into QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or simply someone responsible for managing customer data, this guide will streamline your process, saving you time and effort. So, let's jump right in. First, it's important to prepare your customer list file correctly. To do this, open a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Now you'll want to structure your document by including essential columns such as customer name, company name, which is optional but can be helpful, email address, phone number, billing address, and, if you have it, a shipping address. Once you've meticulously entered all this data, save your file. For this purpose, you should choose either Excel with the .xlsx format or CSV using the .csv extension. Both formats are compatible with QuickBooks Online. Now that your file is ready to go, open up your web browser. I personally recommend using Chrome for the best experience, but any modern browser should work just as well. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account with your credentials. This is your starting point for the import. With QuickBooks Online open, look towards the top right of the screen where you'll find the gear icon, which looks just like a little cog. Clicking this will open up a menu, and under the Tools section, you'll see an option called Import Data. Select that and then choose Customers. This will lead you to the relevant area for uploading your list. Now it's time to upload your prepared customer list file. Click Browse and navigate through your files to select the customer list you saved earlier. Once you've found it, click Open and then choose Next to proceed to the next step. Here, QuickBooks will give you a hand by automatically mapping your list columns to the appropriate fields in the customer database. While this process is usually accurate, it's crucial to verify each field mapping carefully. Adjust any mappings if necessary to ensure that all data is aligned correctly with the intended fields. After confirming everything looks right, click Next to continue. Finally, you're ready to import. Click the Import button to start uploading your customer list into QuickBooks Online. Upon completion, QuickBooks will present you with an import summary. This summary is key for checking any errors or issues that may have occurred during the import process. If you spot any errors, address them as needed, ensuring your customer information is accurate and fully up to date. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully imported a customer list into QuickBooks Online. Remember, maintaining accurate customer data is vital for any business, so take your time with each of these steps and don't hesitate to make adjustments as you see fit. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!